At X-Lab, we develop tools, sensors and software. The tools that we develop and the software, they save construction time of offshore wind farms. And with the software and sensors that we sell to our partners, we can reduce the construction time of offshore wind up to 40%. I think sustainability is the most important topic that concerns us as humanity, because we need to save our climate and to keep Earth as a habitable place. So technology is needed in order to increase the efficiency of processes and to transition us from using natural resources to creating resources that are circular and renewable. I dream about a society and economy that generates significant economic value out of sustainable technologies, so that we can actually earn money with technologies that are good for society and humankind. What I really like about Rotterdam is that it's a culture of doing things, and that the whole area facilitates our growth as a technology startup, where we can rent huge facilities to build our equipment, and people are flexible to discuss with us, and we find a lot of peers to discuss our ideas with, and the clients are close as well because we operate in the maritime sector. I'm André Schiele. I'm the co-owner and founder of X Laboratory. What drives me is to actually build solutions that actually work and that solve existing urgent problems of our economy and society in order to also contribute back.